Hello, in front of me I have Lenovo Smartwatch S2 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this smartwatch on the iPhone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on the smartwatch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your smartwatch, your watch needs to be paired with an iPhone via the Lenovo Smartwatch application. Once the devices are paired, we can continue. And now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the Lenovo Smartwatch application to send the notifications to our watch. So let's open the settings on our iPhone. In settings, scroll down to the list of applications, find the Lenovo Smartwatch application on the list, tap on it, and here make sure that the Bluetooth option is enabled. Then go back to settings, scroll all the way up, find the Bluetooth option, tap on it, and here make sure, or rather find the Watch S2 _540C watch, the device on the list, tap on the info icon next to it, and right here make sure that the share system notifications option is enabled. Once it is, you can close the settings and open the Lenovo Smartwatch application on your iPhone. Then tap on the personal center icon. Here select your Watch S2 on the list and then tap on message notification option. And right here we can enable and disable different types of notifications. First, we can enable the incoming call reminder. Basically, this is about the calls. So if somebody calls you on your iPhone, the smartwatch will vibrate and also display the, I believe, the caller info, so the contact info. And if you enable this option, it will happen. Basically, the watch will alert you about the call. Next, we have the SMS reminder. This notifications will basically you will receive the reminders about or notifications about the SMS messages from your iPhone. So if you receive the SMS message on your iPhone, the watch will vibrate and also you will see the preview of the message on your watch. So if you enable this option. And then we have the list of apps we can enable the notifications for. Right here, we can enable it for WeChat, a QQ reminder, WhatsApp, and stuff like that. You can customize it to your liking. And once you're done customizing the options, you should be able to receive the notifications on your watch. And you can check them by waking up the screen on your watch, and I believe then swiping up on the screen like this. And here you can check the messages if you have any. Okay. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.